Hi guys, it's the girl Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have like a combo going on. I am making ginger beer, Jamaican ginger beer, but this is not just plain ginger beer. This is pineapple ginger beer. Of course, I'm going with the fresh pineapple that I'm going to be peeling. I'm going to peel the pineapple, and what I'm going to be juicing from this pineapple is the skin and the core. We're going to be eating the fruit. See, the fruit I'm going to cut up, and we're eating the fruit, and then the skins of the pineapple are what we're going to put through the juicer with the ginger and with the fresh lemon and sugar to taste, and you're going to have a yummy, delicious, refreshing pineapple ginger beer. All right, see, so this is what we're going to be juicing. We're just going to go ahead and take the core from the pineapple. And that's how this is how you do that. You just, or you listen, I know my way around a knife, but if you don't, please cut away from your finger and you take the core out. That's simple. That goes through the juicer too. And this part, you cut it in cubes, and this is the part that you eat. So double purpose on the pineapple. You cut it up as a fruit to eat, snack, and then you use the core and the skin to make juice. All right, so I'm gonna continue to core this pineapple and cut it up and separate the core and the skin and all that goodies. And then we're gonna go over by the juicer. We're gonna juice the ginger and juice the ginger, lemon, and pineapple skin and core. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm over by the juicer. So I'm doing a couple of things right now. Pineapple, ginger, lemon juice. I'm gonna be juicing the ginger first, because first of all, I'm cheap. I use my ginger twice. I juice it, and then I don't mix it with the lemon or the pineapple yet. I juice the ginger first. Then I'm going to remove the ginger trash from this receptacle right here. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag, and that ginger I'm going to be using a second time to do my sorrel. Not only that, I promised you guys another video. This is Irish moss, and I'm going to be doing a ginger infused Irish moss. So before I add the pineapple and lemon, or maybe I'm going to add the lemon and then just take a portion of the ginger lemon juice, and that's going to be infused into a Irish moss gel that I'm going to be making. So it's going to be a ginger lemon infused Irish moss. My babies are ready. They were washed and soaked overnight, and these are Jamaican Irish moss, sea moss, that was just soaked in washed thoroughly, soaked in plain water with a little bit of lime juice, and I did put the lime rind in, and I have this sitting in the refrigerator for probably about 24 hours or so, or a little bit less. And you see how the Irish moss, they're nice and plump and rehydrated, and they're ready to be blended, and they're going to be blended with some ginger lemon juice, pure ginger lemon juice. So I'm doing like several things here right now. So right now what I'm going to be doing first is just going ahead and juicing the ginger. There we go. So from all that ginger, this is what I've got. Pure juice, no water added. Still dripping. I like to make a mess. What I'm going to go ahead and do right now is to reserve some of this. Hold up. What I'm going to be doing is removing the ginger trash. Because remember, it's a reuse. I'm not going to be washing it out or anything. And you see when it comes out of the receptacle how dry it is. It's like all the juices are out of this ginger, but this ginger is still very potent. So what I do with this is when I make my sorrel, when I'm gonna boil my sorrel, I will take this, I will just go throw it in the freezer just like this. And this is a good portion. When I make my sorrel, that's when the second use comes in. It goes into the sorrel boil, and that's when I use it last to extract the rest of the flavors and the goodness that's left in this ginger. With that, I'm going to put this back, and I'm going to juice the let me get a white cloth. I'm going to juice the lemons because I also want lemon in my Irish moss. To do my lemon ginger flavored Irish moss. So lemons are going to be juiced right now. Here we go. Whole lemon skin. Okay, so that's the lemon. Woo! There's a lot running out. Let me just give it a chance to finish running out. I'm not trying to make a mess, but I am. Right. I'll just put this plate there. Has a little bit of a drip chamber. All right. From this pure ginger and lemon juice, I'm going to be reserving like a little bit less than probably about a third of a cup of this liquid. All right, this is all you need. Okay, because you don't want your gel being too watery. So a quarter of a cup, and then the rest of this, it's going into the pineapple ginger juice. So here we go. I'm doing multi-triple task here, but my ingredients are fresh, organic, so I try to get as much as I can out of my ingredients when I use them. So here we go. Back to the pineapple ginger juice. We're going to be sending the skin and the core of the pineapples through the juicer. Here we go. sure this thing doesn't overflow. All right, that's the last of our pineapple. Okay, last of the pineapple. And that's our pineapple ginger drink. We're gonna add filtered water to that. And this amount of juice will give me probably about a gallon of pineapple ginger drink. Because what's gonna happen, I'm gonna add water and sugar to taste on this. All right, we'll be back. I'll show you the final product. Okay guys, so final step of our pineapple ginger. So this is the pineapple ginger juice. You can just quit right now and not add anything to this baby, because this is straight juice, no water added. All right, but because I have a bunch of kids that love to drink, and when they drink, they're knocking 16 ounces at a time. What I'm gonna do is turn this into pineapple ginger drink. All right. So juice, and if you're gonna be adding to make a whole quart, that's gonna be the drink. Right? So when you see people coming and adding all this water and sugar and calling it juice, that's not juice. Juice is just a fruit with no water or sugar added. Here we go. I'm gonna add the juice into my water. This is just purified, filtered water from my refrigerator. This is going in. And then I'm going in with just pure white cane sugar, 2 cups. And that's it, mixed. And the sugar, I'm putting only 2 cups because we're not big sugar people. But if you need to have this sweetened even more with 2 cups, sweeten to your heart's content. That's up to you. There's no hard and fast in my recipes, I tell you. It's all by choice. What you choose not to and choose to do with your recipes, your business. I give you a basic idea, and you could run away with it and do whatever the heck you want to do. All right, so that's our pineapple ginger drink. Was juice, now it's drink. All right, let me just make sure I have everything out of there. The ginger sits on the bottom. And what I'm gonna do is the old-fashioned way my mother used to do. Tip in the middle of the palm. Okay. And the ginger is pretty high on top in this, so maybe this is their really like pineapple ginger beer, because the ginger is screaming on top with freshness of the lemon coming out. So that's it. So all you're gonna do, find yourself a nice pitcher with ice, pour yourself something to drink. It's your girl Alicia. Thank you for watching, and try my recipes. Thank you. Bye.